Alright guys, so here we are back. We're upstairs. Oh my god, so much nicer up here with the air conditioning. Got the AC on. I just turned it off so you could hear me. Loaded up Decoder Pro. For my laptop, I have my Sprague 3 hooked up to my test track. And I have the unit on the test track. So let's go and look at adding a new locomotive. Decoder JMRI is awesome. It's a free program. I recommend you get it, and I also recommend you give them some money. You can donate money to the cause. Donate money to the cause. We're gonna read type from Decoder. Boom, we hit it. It's reading it. Sometimes there it goes. It moves a little bit. Sometimes the lights flash. All right. So it's a Digitrax Economy Series 6 3FX DH126MT. Click. Showing it's there. We're going to go with the long address. I set all my addresses up as the road number of the train. This one is 7160. Oops, 71. There you go. 7160. And we'll click right. Now it's written. Okay. Let's hit save. Oh, roster. Please enter the field. Alright, so this is going to be a Proto 2000 GP9. That's just a roster ID. Save. Alright, now I'm going to click on it over here. Opens up. Road name PRR. Tab down. 7160. Manufacturer. Like. 2000. And we're gonna I don't know why it keeps doing that. And the model is a GP9. Alright. Save the roster. There we go. Bazinga. There it is. So, there we got it. And what we're gonna look for? We're gonna look for. Gotta find throttle over here. Edit. Settings. Action. New throttle. Select locomotive. There's no horn, so. turn the track on. There we go. Track is on. Maybe not. Release. All right. This is me screwing something up. Not there's nothing. Not the Decoder Pro. It's just me being. I forgot how to do this. Program on track. Program. Lights. Oh no, not LEDs. They're lamps. Everything else is normal. Read sheet, write changes to sheet. Alright, so I'm going to write changes to sheet. I'm going to change that. Write full sheet, read changes, write changes to all sheets. Alright. Well, let's see what that does. Not sure if that'll do it. Alright. Save changes, close. Power on. Throttle. All right. Oh, let me get back to you. All right, guys. Hey, welcome back. All right. Yeah, I went a little further into it. It was me messing up the JMRI. As soon as I took it off and went downstairs, I looked at a couple of things to see if I messed up the wiring or something. But the wiring is all right. I dropped it back on there, and it identified the decoder, and it started working. So let me punch up a throttle on the JMRI. You guys can check it out. All right, throttle. Actually, I got it open already. Nope, that's not it. There's throttle. It's got the numbers in it. If you guys don't know what JMRI is, look it up. It's a free app. And it's great. All you gotta do is buy a Sprog. I'll put a link to that in this video. So we'll go from there on that. But yeah, it's actually pretty cool. All right, all right, first I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the power on. The track power is now on. Let me zoom out. All right, I'm going to fan down a little bit. You can see see it there. We'll turn the light on. All right. That clicking is a problem I came out with. It cracked the drive gears, which apparently is a common occurrence on these things. So I got those ordered, and those are coming in. I also changed the LED, changed them all the bulbs out to LEDs because I do have a resistor inside that Decoder buddy board. So it it needed an LED. Couldn't use the grain of wheat bulb, or I'd have to take the resistor out, and I'm not that good. So we just left that in there, and we went with LEDs, which I personally like better. These are actually soft. They're the soft white, they call it. It's not that blue white, bright white. So it should look pretty good on the layout. I'm just going to pause you for a second, and I'm going to come back, and I'm going to put the shell on, and then give you some beauty shots of it with the lights working in it and with the shell on. I'll be right back. Just a quick thing right there. If you noticed the front headlight clear plastic piece right there, I'm probably going to blacken that out when I put the figures back in. And I might move the LED and put the LED in that piece and blacken that out for the, actually, excuse me, that's the front. That's the rear, because Pensy liked the long hood. But yeah, I had to cut that down. That actually went all the way back to that little mark right there before the fan. And it was hitting the decoder. So I had to trim that down. And I drilled a hole in it, in that plastic, to slide the light in. Oh, all right, give me another second. I'll come back and we'll get you some action shots with this thing lit up. All right, guys, here we are back. I got this set up a little bit. Let me bring it down. Bring it down a little bit. Get a little less of the angle and the dangle here. And all right, so here we go. Power and the tracks on. Click on the light. A little motion, hey, moving. You see that click? That's actually gear being tracked. That's what's causing that. Now we'll reverse it. Reverse. Oh, and the rear light comes on. Rear light comes on. And yeah, watch it. Forward. Reverse. Yeah, it's a short little test track, so I can't ramp it up. But it actually ran really smooth right before that gear popped. It actually, I went back and forth 3 or 4 times. It ran real smooth, and then all of a sudden, I just heard a click, and it just started doing that jump. But I got those parts coming. They were actually really cheap, so I got them, and I'm going to replace all 4 gears. So, and that'll be another video. All right. Once again, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Jack on Track. Stay tuned. We'll creep it up on 50, so there'll be another giveaway. And as always, catch you later.